You might be struggling to create a sales page. I know I was when I first started to create sales pages in my business. Whether you're looking to create a sales page for your online course or your digital product, I have something that's going to help you to get through this process a heck of a lot easier than you might have been doing before. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into how you can utilize AI to help you to create an effective sales page. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany, Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and digital product business owners to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise. Now, before we dive into today's topic, where we're going to talk all about how you can utilize AI to help you to write better sales pages, I want you to check out some amazing resources that can help you with AI. You can find that below. And also, if you're looking for ways to market your digital products or learning how to just be able to create from start to finish, I want you to check out a resource library that can help you to do just that. Okay, so let's talk all about how AI can help you to create an effective sales page. I have 5 things I want to share with you, and I hope that you'll be able to take this information and apply it to your sales page in your business. Okay, so the first thing that we need to cover before we dive into those 5 things that can help you to build an effective sales page is to first understand what AI is. It's artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence can help you to be able to better improve your copy, create photos, design slides. It's able to basically create things for you. And what I have found utilizing AI over the last several months, and as it has evolved over this last year especially, I have found that it is a really great way for me to be able to get things done in a quicker amount of time, and also it can act as my assistant. So now let's go ahead and dive into how you can utilize AI for your actual sales page. Okay, so the first thing is maybe you've been struggling to come up with an effective headline for your sales page. You might be falling into the trap of you have great copy, but in your sub headline, which is usually at the very top of your sales page, it's just not as effective. And you're finding that when people come to your sales page, they're either not converting and they're not making their way to learn more about your digital product. So AI can help you to be able to create an effective headline. And some of the things that I like to do to be able to come up with an effective headline is I like to use my favorite platform, ChatGPT, or some of the other amazing platforms that are out there, and I type in ideas of what I'm looking to talk about, or I plug in my actual sales page copy and ask it to create me several different headlines. Now, once it has created a few headlines that I like, what I do is I jump over to another platform that I enjoy. It's called CoSchedule. And when I jump into CoSchedule headlines, I then see how it actually scores. Now, if I find that this is a passing headline and a passing subheadline, I will then continue to move forward and decide which headline is going to be the best fit for my audience. So if you've been struggling with headlines, don't do that anymore. You can start to utilize AI to help you to get past this roadblock. So the second way that AI can help you with your sales page is it can help you to improve your copy. One of the things that I love to do whenever I'm utilizing AI and writing a sales page is, the first thing is I write my sales page without utilizing any other tools. This helps me to get out what I am looking to say. It helps me to not get stuck in the process of trying to make things better while I'm still writing, and instead I get out all of my ideas and exactly what I'm trying to say to my audience. Now, once I have this rough draft copy, I then plug this in to AI, and this helps me to be able to come up with a better way to say this particular content. Sometimes I'm looking to either rewrite a sentence or a whole paragraph, but ultimately I already have the basis of this particular content, and it will help me to be able to improve the way that I'm saying it or my approach. Okay, so the third way that AI can help you with your sales page is it can help you to properly lay out your sales page in the proper order. Maybe you are like so many content creators out there. You have this idea, you want to create an online course or a digital product or a coaching program, but you're not sure exactly what order your content should should be in, how it could be effective, and actually convert. Well, what you can do is you can actually utilize AI tools to help you to place your content in the proper order that will help you to best convert for your audience. Now, what's exciting about that is now you don't have to worry about what is my layout going to look like? What order should my content be in? Should I have a call to action here, or should I have my FAQ there? It really breaks down where this content should be so that then when you're creating your content, you're not feeling stuck or trying to figure out what should be next. Instead, you're able to plug this into AI and ask it to create the proper order for your sales page, and there you have it. So the fourth thing that AI can do to help you with your sales page is that it can help you to actually come up with your designs for your pictures and things along those lines. Or you can even have it provide ideas for what your pictures are going to be. I know that Canva has a really cool feature now where you can type your text on what type of photo you're looking for, and it will create a photo based off the information that you have provided it. Now, this is a really great way for you to create photos that might be really unique that you're not going to find on some of these other different platforms like Unsplash or Pixels and things like that. And instead, this is unique to your business and to what you are doing on your sales page. So you can be able to create these amazing photos. All you have to do is plug in the proper text, and AI can help you to come up with the prompts of what you can utilize to use to create these amazing different photos. Now, for the final way that AI can help you with your sales page, it can help you to improve your grammar. I don't know about you, but I know that there are times where I might be missing a comma, or I have too much copy in one paragraph or a sentence, and I have run-on sentences and things like that. Well, if you are struggling and you need a copywriter or an editor, but don't necessarily have either the time or the resources to be able to do that, well, AI can help you. All you have to do is plug in your copy, ask it to edit and check for grammar corrections, and have it update it for you. Now, once you have that, you can feel free to have someone else overlook that and read through and make sure it sounds still in your voice and things are properly grammatically correct. But I want you to know that if you have been just struggling to get a copywriter, you don't have to do that anymore. Go ahead and plug in your copy, ask it to help you to improve your grammar, and you will see a difference. There you have it, Corporate Misfits. Creating a sales page does not have to be as complicated. You have AI to help and assist you as you are creating an effective sales page to help you to sell your digital products. Now, if you need some more resources on how to use AI, I want you to check out those resources I have for you below. And until next time, I'll see you soon. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.